Hey guys, it's Nelson again. So I wanted to show you guys the optional extra credit thread. So I'm in Canvas right now under the discussion link. If you'll look at the center, it says optional extra credit. You click on this through the discussion. Basically, I'm figuring you guys are probably streaming a lot of things right now, either watching it or listening to podcasts. So I thought I'd try to throw some stuff in there for you. This link was provided to me by Seth Dixon. He's actually a graduate from BYU and Penn State, and he's also a current professor of geography at Rhode Island University. And he's also a member of the College Board. And some people reached out to him asking if he could help us during this time, and he did. So what he did is he created basically a movie guide. And this is the link that I provided to you. And he's got them categorized. There's things on Netflix, there's podcasts, Amazon Prime, there's PBS shows, which you can look on YouTube for. And then, of course, there's a bunch of movies that you may have access to, or you can search on a variety of platforms, including Hulu and some of the other ones that aren't specifically mentioned. Then there are some websites that are current teachers of AP. And then if you just want to get lost on some websites, there's some really fun websites throughout the bottom that you can take a look at. I have not seen a lot of these movies, and I am sure that some of these are probably rated R or not rated because they're documentaries. With that being said, it's kind of watch at your own risk. Maybe look at the trailer first if there's one available, or read a synopsis to see if it sounds like it's something that would meet your standards as far as PG or PG-13. Or check with your guardian to see if it's something that they would encourage you to watch. So how you guys will submit the assignment if you want some extra credit is basically post to the discussion page your own unique impression of the item or of what you listened to or watched. Do not copy and paste, obviously, what someone else has written, but feel free to browse through there to see if you want to get some ideas on some of the other things that students are recommending. You need to write in complete sentences, and you need to include at least 8 vocabulary terms and how the term relates to that podcast or relates to the video or website or whatever it is that you're looking at. And you would tell me how it relates by including an example. That's that FRQ practice, such as because I can see this or it showed this. So that is how you guys can submit this extra credit. I have this extra credit basically set to go on for the next month or so, but we'll extend it for as long as necessary for you guys to kind of fill up some of that free time that you have in between doing our massive review.